Hello, my little friends, my dear students. Hope you are healthy and healthy. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to discuss about a very important chapter for the student of class 9 and 10. Changing sentence, where comparison of adjective is a very important part, which includes at least one question for every comparative examination like SSC, HSC, etc. So, without any delay, prepare yourself for the class. Thank you so much. Okay. Welcome. Neymar, Lionel Messi, Maradona, and Pele. Great, greater, greatest, and greatest of all times. Follow carefully these lines. Very few footballers are so great as Neymar. Messi is greater than most other footballers. Maradona is the greatest footballers, and Pele is the greatest of all footballers. Great, greater, greatest, greatest of all time, of all footballers. Their adjective. Where great is the positive form, greater, comparative, and greatest, superlative form. So, we are going to start comparison of adjective, degree. Comparison of adjective, degree. Comparison of adjective. Where we may find positive, comparative, and superlative. Also, adverb, they can be compared with positive, comparative, and superlative. So, good is the positive form, the comparative form of good is better, and superlative form is best. Whereas bad, worse, and their superlative form is worst. Okay. Great, the word form with one word. Then we add er and est after the positive form of adjective, then it will be superlative, greatest. If the word is pronounced with two separate parts such as popular, popular, then to make it comparative, we add more before the positive form and most for superlative. But lovely, one word, lovely. Why? If you find y in the form of positive, to make it comparative, we have to add er and I instead of y. Lovelier and loveliest, such like ugly, beauty. Okay. Find out common noun from the question. Is the first task. Nostril is the proper noun, where the common noun poet. Tiger, common noun animal. Gold and common noun metal. Bee, insect. In the sentence, we may find some sentence where comparison has taken place from proper noun to common noun. Notice very carefully. Nostril, proper noun. Poets, proper noun, can be both singular and plural. In this aspect, nostril is greater than most other poets in the country. Poets, why poets? Plural form. Tiger is the most ferocious animal. Why animal, common noun, is in singular. It is noticeable. Very few metals are as or so. We should practice so more implicitly because it is more formal than as. Very few metals, plural form. Gold, proper noun. Very few insect, singular, the bee, proper noun. So it's very important and notable. Where common noun is formed with singular or plural. Okay, so from the question you have to find out common noun and proper noun. Positive sentence may begin with no other. Green in color, it is remarkable to make you understand. Very few. Then we add common noun, ... The extension words of the noun can also be used here. No other poet, very few poets, such like that. Verb, but we have to remember, we have to make verb plural in the case of very few. As or so, as positive form of adjective, as, and finally subject, okay. No other, person, common noun. Verb is as, hated, as, subject a corrupt man, okay. We find how to form a sentence using positive degree. Then very few. But in the case of very few, the common noun becomes plural. Things, so verb also plural, so useful as television. Very few things, plural form of verb, as or so, useful as television. You may understand how to form a sentence of positive degree. Then comparative. Subject. At the end of a sentence, subject in the positive sentence, we have to add it before to make comparative. Subject. Then verb is as usual. Subject then verb. Adjective, comparative form of adjective. Hated, more hated. Useful, more useful. Okay. Then it's very important and essential. There is no alternative of using them in this sentence. Any other. Look very carefully. No other. Any other. Green in color. This color represent one another. And most other. Very few. Most other. Black follow black. Okay. Common noun. An extension of the common noun. Okay. So a corrupt man, subject of positive degree, subject. Then verb is adjective, hated, more hated than. So person, singular common noun indicates any other, and in positive no other. Any other person, because no other follows any other, very few follows most other. To make you understand easily, you use it indicating two different colors. Okay. Hope you have understood. To make it superlative, subject, verb, the combination. One of them, very few, most other, and one of them. Okay. Adjective, superlative form, and finally common noun. A corrupt man is the most hated person. television is one of the most useful things. A corrupt man is the most hated person. Superlative form and then finally common noun. Television is one of the most useful things. Common noun is plural here, so one of them. Follow very carefully. The question has taken from Dhaka Board 2017. She is one of the greatest persons of the world. One of the, to make it positive. So the rule of positive are shown here. One of the indicates black. Okay. So instead of one of the, we have to begin the sentence where very few is used. Okay, very few. Then common noun. Common noun here, persons of the world. Persons. Common noun will be used as plural form in the place of very few. So persons of the world. Verb are. Oh, of the word missing here. Of the word. Verb are, because common noun, according to noun, verb are used where noun is singular, verb is singular, noun is plural, verb is plural. It's very common. As or so, great, greatest. The superlative form of great is greatest and their positive form is great. As and subject she. Okay. One of the very few. One of the very few. Black follow black. Okay. It is the largest sea beach in the world. Positive. The question has taken from Ratchaybo 2017. It is the largest sea beach in the world. Okay. The green. Green. Sorry, blue. No other. Common noun, sea beach in the world. Verb. As the common noun is singular, verb will be singular. Is, as or so, the positive form adjective largest, large, as, and subject. Inshallah, I believe that this time it is easier for you. It is one of the most beautiful sea beaches in the world. Make it comparative. One of the, most other. Okay. We have to add subject, verb. Okay. It is one of the most beautiful sea beach in the world. The question. So it, subject, then verb, subject, verb. Comparative form of adjective, most beautiful. The comparative form of most is more beautiful. More beautiful than any other or most other. We have to find one appropriately following the common noun. So common noun here, plural, so most other. It is more beautiful than most other sea beaches in the world. Okay. Their contribution is greater than any other thing. Make it positive. That is greater than any other thing. So in any other, no other thing is as great as their contribution. The question from Dinajpur Board 2017. Inshallah, homework. The freedom fighter is the greatest son of the soil. Make it comparative sentence. Books are the greatest friend. Positive. He was one of the best cap makers with palm leaves. Positive. Corruption is one of the worst evil. Positive. And William Wordsworth is one of the best well-known poets in English literature. Positive. Homework. This question have been taken from board question 2017 and one question from 2016. So, assalamu alaikum. See you.